Hello guys! In today's video I will tell you how to use Prague's public transportation without getting a fine. Unfortunately, many tourists get fined even though they purchase a ticket. Therefore, I would like to explain what kind of tickets to buy, where to buy them and how to validate them. Prague is a small city and you can see the main sites like Old Town, New Town, Prague Castle, National Theatre and others by walking. If you need to use public transportation, there is a metro with 3 lines, which is very easy to use, trams, and in some areas also buses. All types of tickets are valid for all public transportation in the Prague city. If you need to go out of Prague, there will be different tickets needed. So let's see what kind of tickets you can buy and where you can buy them. These are the kind of machines where you can purchase your tickets for public transportation. You will find them in all metro stations. So let's see how you can get a ticket and what kind of tickets to get. So first you choose your language. Now you choose buy ticket. And here you can choose, you have Prague full price. And here is 30 minutes ticket for 30 crowns. 90 minutes tickets for 40 crowns, whole day for 120, and 3 days tickets for 330. There is also option for a luggage, and here you have Prague half price, which are tickets for the seniors. Once you selected your ticket, you will see your total price, and you can pay by cash or by card. So who pays half the price? Seniors aged 60 to 65 years old pay the half price. Seniors about 65 years can use the transportation for free, as well as children up to 10 years old traveling with an adult. However, you need to confirm your age with a passport. Here is the ticket. With the arrow pointing, you have to put the ticket in the validator to assign it. This will stamp a time on it from which the ticket is valid. For example, if you have a ticket for 30 minutes, the ticket validation ends 30 minutes from this time. If you don't validate your ticket and the inspector will catch you, you will get a fine. To confuse tourists a little bit more, there are also these kind of machines where you can find them in the metro and in trams. You can also purchase here tickets only by card. These tickets don't need to be validated as they are valid from the time of the purchase. You can also purchase tickets from newsagents shops like Relay. One more information. Metro does not connect the city with the airport. However, 3 lines of buses will take you to the different metro stations. You can use the same tickets as for public transportation. There is also an airport express bus which connects the airport with the main railway station, Hlavní nádraží. For this bus, you need to buy a separate ticket inside the bus. The price for adults is 100 crowns, for children aged 6 to 15 is 50 crowns, and children up to 6 are free. So now you know how to use public transportation in Prague without getting a fine. I hope this was helpful, and if you are planning to visit Prague, check my video right here with the top 10 things to see in Prague. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. Bye!